little explorers. I'm Shakuntala, and today we're going to meet some very special friends. They have feathers, they sing songs, and some of them can even talk. Can you guess what they are? That's right, birds. Let's flap our wings and fly into the world of 10 amazing birds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, tweet, tweet. Let's go! Look who's here. It's a parrot. Parrots are super colorful and really smart. Some parrots can even say, hello. Can you say hello like a parrot? Hello, hello. Good job. This tiny bird is a sparrow. Sparrows love hopping around and singing sweet songs. Can you make a little chirp chirp sound like a sparrow? Chirp chirp, chirp chirp. So cute. Wow, look at this bird's beautiful feathers. It's a peacock, India's national bird. Peacocks spread their tails like a big colorful fan. Can you twirl around like a peacock? Let's try. Who's up next? It's an owl. Owls are awake at night and have big round eyes. Let's all say, woo-woo, like an owl. Woo-woo, hoot hoot. Quack quack, it's a duck. Ducks love water and have webbed feet to swim. Can you waddle like a duck? Let's go. Quack quack, waddle waddle. This is a pigeon. You'll find them flying all around cities. They love eating grains and cooing, cuckoo, cuckoo. Let's flap our arms and pretend we're pigeons. Look at those long legs. It's a flamingo. They stand on one leg. Can you try that? Stand tall. Now lift one leg. Wobble, wobble. Caw-caw, it's a crow. Crows are black and very clever. Let's say caw-caw together. Caw-caw. Here comes the hen. Hens live on farms and lay eggs. They go cluck, cluck, cluck. Can you cluck like a hen? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Yay! The last bird is strong and bold. It's the eagle. Eagles fly way up high in the sky. Let's stretch our wings wide and soar like an eagle. Whoosh! Wow, you did such an amazing job learning about birds today. Let's say their names one more time. Repeat after me. Parrot, sparrow, peacock, owl, duck, pigeon, flamingo, crow, hen, eagle. Give yourself a big round of applause. If you liked learning with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun adventures. Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep flying high. Bye-bye, little birdie.